how's she going? Merry Christmas. I have a story to tell you about Grampie's workshop. Gather close now so I can tell you all about it. 'Twas the day after Christmas when all around Grampie's workshop there was hustle and bustle. Things were starting to hop. The weatherman had issued a heavy snowfall warning, so Grampie was up and at 'em, and it was only early morning. Away to the window he shuffled with joy, hoping to see the snow so he could play with his red toy. Grampie was dressed good and warm from his head to his feet. With his lined coveys on, with his winter coat, he looked pretty neat. The sky was cloudy and the snow was starting to fall. And it was little snow too, so that means big snow after all. The snowblower was ready and angled just right, and the plow had been treated with diesel last night. The tire chains were in place and ready to go. No way the Massey could get stuck in this snow. Into four-wheel drive the tractor was shifted, so plowing would be easy even where the snow had drifted. The snow was getting deep and it was quite a sight, so he rolled up the Massey motel tarp door good and tight. He opened the cab door and switched on the glow plugs, totally forgetting to give the Massey its morning hugs. Ho, 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 ho. 10 seconds of glow plugs, then the starter he tried. If the Massey wouldn't start, he would surely have cried. But it chugged and it coughed and it sputtered and spat, and then in a twinkling it started just like that. He let it warm up for what seemed like forever. He could hardly wait to start this plowing endeavor. Finally the tractor was all rigged and ready. His hands on the wheel were feeling unsteady. The snow was heavier now, falling from the sky, but the Massey was ready to plow the banks high. Oh, ho, 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 ho. He was plenty excited as he started out of the shed, and the snow was deep, just like the weatherman had said. He had the tractor in low range and the blade set square. And the first push he made, well, he pushed it right over there. The snow was deep, but the tractor worked good, and it plowed the snow like a red tractor should. He plowed down the lane and then back in, then turned around and did it again. He plowed the lane out and back about 5 or 6 times. With this kind of snow, the Massey really shines. Then to the landing he turned his attention, where he could use his new snow pusher invention. A lot fewer trips with these wings on the blade. They worked really good, so no windrows were made. He plowed for an hour and got the snow cleared away, then headed for the Massey motel after a good plowing day. Oh, ho, 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 ho. He backed in the shed and shut down his awesome machine, then spent a little time and wiped the GC 2300 clean. Then, as he looked at all he had done, he softly said, "That old saying is true. If it ain't red, leave it in the shed." Ho, 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 ho. So Merry Christmas to all, and to all, Happy plowing. Ho, 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 ho.